Hey friends, if you wish to fix HTTP error 400 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is to check the URL. So we have the URL here. Make sure that it is correct and okay, I'll press F5 to show you the URL. Make sure that it is correct and it doesn't have a forward slash in front of it. So even if it has a forward slash, it usually picks it up. But if you're facing this problem, then simply delete this forward slash and reload the page or restart your computer and then do it. The next is to check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Now wait for the internet speed to load and check the internet speed here. The next solution is to clear the browser cache and cookies. Now the procedure is same for all Chromium browsers, but let me show you on Google Chrome itself. Click on these three dots here, select history, click on history, and then click on clear browsing data, and then change the time range to all time. Make sure that cache and cookies are selected and then click on clear data. And the last is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.